To open a Tradingview heatmap, start by logging into your Tradingview account and navigating to the chart section. Once you are on the chart page, click on the Indicators button at the top of the screen. This will open a list of available indicators and tools, including the heatmap option. In the Indicators window, type heatmap in the search bar to quickly find the heatmap tool. Click on the heatmap indicator to add it to your chart. The heat map will be applied to the current chart and symbol you are viewing. The heat map on Tradingview is a tool used to visualize market sentiment and trends across different markets and time frames. It displays a table of symbols, with each cell representing the price performance of a particular symbol over a specified time period. The cells are colored based on the price change, with green indicating a price increase and red indicating a price decrease. To customize the heat map, click on the gear icon next to the heat map title. This will open a settings window where you can adjust the symbol list, time frame, and other parameters to suit your needs. You can also use the heat map to scan for trading opportunities, such as identifying strong trends or finding symbols that are moving in the opposite direction of the overall market. To get the most out of the heat map, it is essential to combine it with other indicators and tools, such as moving averages or relative strength index. This will help you to confirm trading signals and make more informed decisions. Additionally, you can use the heat map to monitor and analyze different markets, including stocks, forex, and cryptocurrencies. By following these steps and using the heat map in conjunction with other tools, you can gain a deeper understanding of market trends and make more effective trading decisions. The Tradingview heatmap is a powerful tool that can help you to identify opportunities and stay ahead of the market.